what is under the potatoes. First thing is the girls are going to cut off all of the extra. If Carrie will get out of the way.
Carrie's helping.
And you can see Hannah doing that.
I don't know how
or Layla, excuse me. And I'll help and be back in a few. There's Hannah doing a great job.
I can't.
Hannah, just put them outside. It's outside. Yep. All right. We'll be back. Okay, and they've gotten almost all of the tops off of the
Okay, I think that's
potatoes. You think that's it? Okay, we'll pull them out and get them out of there and kick Carrie out of the garden. We're digging. Be careful, Hannah. And we're going to save some of the dirt because of all the rocks. We're going to try to save some in the bucket. And so they're just kind of getting, you pull those out, that's what the potatoes are attached to. So try to dig, put all the dirt in there. There you go. Now we're just trying to remove some of the dirt.
Oh, I can feel something. Me too. Oh, it's extra.
Little potato?
No, I saw a little potato attached to it.
Don't dig, don't put the dirt out in the rocks.
I have these in here.
There's a potato on there. Little, see it? Yep, see. Okay, don't put it in the dirt. We're going to have to put it somewhere.
For now, I'll just put it right here.
Okay. You know, the best thing is to probably, yeah, just keep digging the dirt out.
I'm digging it like this. I'm digging it up.
And let's hope we do have potatoes.
We're gonna.
The potatoes are all the way over to here. Okay?
What about over here?
Yep, they're all over there. You found a potato?
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Wow, our first potato.
There's more down here. I felt them.
Don't put it in the dirt.
I didn't. Oh. I'm gonna help Hannah. No, Layla. Work on your. I just felt it. I just felt it. There it is. Oh, this one's. Oh wow. Okay. Hannah, help me pull this out.
Be careful.
I don't want to bruise the potato. Oh, look how big that is. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's pretty big because it's going all the way around.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Keep digging this dirt out, and then we'll find that potato.
I got it up.
You got it?
I need help over here.
Wait a minute, and then we'll stop, and we'll start over again. Is that the one you were looking at?
Yeah.
All right, so we got 2 potatoes so far.
And that's
all
just
right.
from one plant.
I'm going to stop it and help Hannah. Wow. Look at that.
Look at the size
Look
of
at that. That's a wonderful one.
Kind of cracked open.
Well, geez. Okay, put it in the bucket. Let's see how much we got in it so far.
And we just started digging.
And we just started digging.
Oh, I see something. It was trying to hide from me. You see him? Okay. Whoa. What if this is a potato? Oh my, it's big. So what we
I think you're on the second plant. I think you're on your second plant.
Oh. But I'm like digging out all the dirt at the same time. But I saw it. It was hidden by dirt. Layla, you see this? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's 2. 2?
Okay, start working on the other plant.
Okay, let me get out the dirt because it's falling in. I'm gonna start. So it's right here.
Put some dirt in the bucket.
I'm gonna. Whoa! Hold on, Layla. Don't. They're all attached to this plant. Look at this. No, Layla, give me. Look how big.
Layla.
No, this is my stuff. Stop it. Let me get credit for this.
Wow, and that's.
There's more. Wait. This is my plant.
Yep, just a minute. Look at it.
Okay.
Wow.
I think there's one more over here. I need help. Yeah, there is.
Wow.
Yeah, these are probably our new biggest ones. Yeah, bring the bucket over here. We're gonna need a bigger bucket.
Yep, I'm assuming we are.
Oh, I almost missed this. There's tiny ones.
Little one, yep.
We can use that for a stir fry or something. You can use that. I'm gonna start on my plant, which was right here.
Okay.
Okay.
You make sure we
Found another one.
Yep.
It's a baby.
Remember how we watched the videos and they were hiding?
Yeah. There's one more.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, take your
That's 4. Okay, 1.
I think you're actually working on her plant now. Don't pull. Don't pull. Don't pull.
Hey, you're working on my plant. I'm sorry, they're on the area I was digging in.
Well, I don't know if they are or not.
They could. Oh my God, Layla.
Okay, get.
One. No, that's mine.
Hey, stop. Okay, let me. Oh, wow.
Help on mine.
I can't see it because of the
Dirt.
See it? There you go. Okay, use your shovel to dig it out if you can. Be very careful. Where'd it go?
Right here. Right there.
Okay. Use your hands. Get it.
I can't.
Come on, keep going.
Okay. I'm trying to get all we need to get in here. Out, but there's rocks in it. I need to get under it. You do it. I can't.
Okay, take and get some more dirt out of it, around it.
Here, Layla.
Be careful, there might be another potato under it.
Okay, just look at it. There's a. Oh, that's big.
Whoa! I think that's the biggest one. That's the biggest one yet. Look at that. Hold it down here, Layla. Wow.
See, compared to our other ones.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa, they're huge
Plants, and look at that. It's already full. And that was our newest potato that we just dug up. Now we're going to weigh the potatoes. This is our bucket, our Sam's bucket, 5-gallon bucket. Okay, we're going to weigh it on the baby scale that my mom used on my sisters and me when we were babies. And I used to measure, to weigh tomatoes.
Look at that.
I hope we get 10 pounds. Hey, keep going, guys. Whoa, look at that. Look at that one. And that one weighed about a pound. Yep, our goal is 10 pounds. Wow.
So we're going to wait until it gets to 7 so we can see how.
That was 7 pounds.
8.
Wow.
8 pounds.
Wow, is that the biggest one?
Nope, just one of the biggest one. It's right here.
So we're at 9 pounds. Do you think we'll make 10?
I hope. Me too.
Oh, maybe. Oh, we're at 10.
Whoa, we're at 11. And we're not gonna put on the little teensy tiny ones that didn't grow.
Okay.
They don't weigh anything. See, like these ones. These ones we're not gonna put on. Yeah, these ones.
Okay. Is that all right? Is that all the potatoes?
We're just gonna set the teeny tiny ones in front right here.
And the grand total is
14. 14 pounds.
14 pounds of potatoes. Take your hand off of it. Look at those potatoes. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. In the background are the onions that I picked earlier. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.